Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30166. And this is Robin and the Redbird, Robin and Redbird Cycle. And, oops. So, if you enjoyed this kind of video, you like these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I'm planning on doing one of these a day, our cape. I'm planning on doing one of these a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And I have also done one of these a day in the recent past. So there are a decent amount of them already up on YouTube, and there are plenty more to go. I think we're in the 130s. So, oh, also, if you're interested in this particular set, the link to where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink is in the description. And also, there's a link to Brickset if you're interested in just info on the set itself, but not actually like buying it. Alright, so good old Robin has a cape. And not really a fan of capes much, but we'll give it a shot for this one. Alright, so good old Robin has to get dressed up with his cape. Fold that over like so. Maybe fold it over like so. Yeah, there we go. Fold it over like so. Okay, so Robin has, oops, Robin almost lost his head. Robin has a serious stern "I'm gonna be Batman later" face. And also a, oh my goodness, is that the Joker with a crowbar face? So we're gonna give him the oh my goodness face. And some very spectacular hair. Like so. And we need some legs. Alright, so good old Robin got his legs. Like so. And there we go. We're good to go. Robin's like, ah, my goodness. Okay. So now we got to put together the Redbird Cycle. And this actually looks like it has a few Technic pieces in it, which is kind of neat. Alright, so let's check this out. We got Robin already taken care of. And now the cycle. Okay. So we got this. And these. And then two of these, like so, and then two more of these. Alright, not so bad so far. Now, I tell you what, this is looking like there just aren't that many pieces to this motorcycle, which, I mean, might be good. Alright, so that's face forward and backward. So this one goes here, and this one goes here, and then the 2x4 goes right there, and then some decorations. Decoration. Decoration. And this goes on the very back, right here, like that. So this goes on the front, and then this goes here, and then yeah, we're gonna have the, I knew this was coming, the handlebar, can't grab it. It goes right here. And we pop our handlebar on, like so. Alright, so that looks like it's going to be the body of it. And then what we got to do here is... That's kind of weird. Alright, so we're going to do two of these. So this clips this way. And then this inserts in here. As far as it'll go. And this slides down. Like that. And then the wheel clips on. Wheel clips on so it's facing this way. Like so. And then the next one of these things is going to clip on. So. And this is, oops, that clips in over there, and this clips in right here, and theoretically, that spins. And we just insert it into the things. Alright, that's kind of cool. I like that. Alright, so we'll do the other one real quick. Get that. And that clips in right here. This slots in like so, and then the red piece like that. That goes over that way, and then make another one of these arms to hold the wheel on, and we got one extra piece. So this pops on right here, like so. And then this attaches to the front, and this attaches to the back. Alright, that is way cooler than I was expecting it to be. That's a neat looking motorcycle. That's really cool. Huh. And then Robin gets to ride it. But I mean, like... Alright, that's pretty neat. That's a pretty neat motorcycle. I wasn't sure about how I was going to attach exactly, but I like it. That's neat. That's awesome. I like this one. I'm not super crazy about the whole Robin motorcycle thing, but I like the way the motorcycle itself is set up. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Think it's neat or weird or what? Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you'll have an excellent day.